Good day, everyone. Welcome to our math class. I'm Teacher Faye, your math teacher for today. For our today's topic, subtraction of fractions and mixed fractions with and without regrouping. Subtracting fractions has almost the same procedure or step as adding fractions, except that you need to subtract the numerator instead of adding them. Subtraction of similar fractions. To subtract similar fractions, subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. Then, simplify the fraction if needed. Let us try this example. 3/4 minus 1/4. In subtraction of similar fraction, you just subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So we have to subtract 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Then copy the denominator 4. Since 2/4 have a common factor, we will simplify 2/4. Let us divide the numerator and denominator by its common factor. The common factor is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. And 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. The final answer is 1/2. 3/4 minus 1/4 is equals to 1/2. Let us try another example. 5/8 minus 2/8 is equals to, again, let us subtract the numerator and then copy the denominator. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Then copy the denominator, which is 8. Since 3/8 have no common factor, therefore the final answer is 3/8. 5/8 minus 2/8 is equals to 3/8. Subtraction of dissimilar fractions. In subtracting fractions and mixed fractions with different denominators, we have 4 steps to be followed. Number 1, rename or change the dissimilar fraction to similar fractions. Number 2, add the whole number. Number 3, add the fractions. And number 4, regroup or simplify if possible. What is 2/3 minus 1/6? Use butterfly method. 2/3 minus 1/6 equals 2. In butterfly method, first multiply both denominator. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. 18 will be the new denominator. Then, multiply the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. So, 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is equals to 12. 12 is the new numerator of the first fraction. Then, do the same process. Multiply the numerator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction. 3 times 1 is equals to 3. 3 is the numerator of the second fraction. Since that we have already similar fraction, we can now subtract. 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. And then, copy the denominator, which is 18. So, we have now 9/18. We can change 9/18 into lowest term. Get the common factor. The common factor is 9. Divide the numerator and the denominator by 9. 9 divided by 9 is equals to 1. 18 divided by 9 is equals to 2. 2/3 minus 1/6 is equals to 1/2. 1/2 is the final answer. Find the difference of 2 1/4 and 1 1/2 using finding the LCD. Step 1. Find the LCD of 2 1/4 and 1 1/2 using continuous division. Get the denominator of the two fractions. We have 4 and 2. Then, make an L. Think of a prime number that can divide both numbers. So, we have 2. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Since that all numbers are prime numbers, we can now get the LCD. To find the LCD, you just multiply the given factors. So, LCD, we have 2 times 2. We will not include 1 anymore. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. The LCD is 4. Step 2, convert the fractions to equivalent fractions using LCD as the new numerator. In 2 1/4 minus 1 1/2, the LCD is 4. Divide the LCD with the old denominator. 4 divided by 4. Then, multiply the answer with the old new numerator. 1 times 1 to get the new numerator. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Then, repeat the process. Again, divide the denominator with the old denominator. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Then, multiply your answer to the numerator. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Now, we have similar fractions. 2 1/4 minus 1 2/4. As you can see, the fraction in the subtrahend is bigger than the fraction in the minuend. What we are going to do is to rename one whole number from the minuend into a fraction with the same denominator as the other fractions. So, 2 becomes 1 4/4. Then bring down 1/4, so plus 1/4. So again, copy the whole number which is 1. Then add the fraction. So add first the numerator. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And then copy the denominator. So we have now new fraction, which is 1 and 5/4 minus 1 and 2/4. For our last step, subtract the whole number followed by the fraction. Subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. Regroup and simplify if needed. So we have 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then we will subtract the fraction, which is 5/4 minus 2/4. So 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Then copy the denominator, which is 4. Since 3/4 is already in the simplest form, 3/4 now is the final answer. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye. Don't forget